Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to use all the filters available in Working Lead to figure out and to filter your hot leads. So once you log in, click on Working Lead. Once you will be there on Working Lead, you will see on upper side there are total filters available for you. So we will start with month of travel. This is the travel date filter. If you want to figure out the number of leads whose travel date is in June month, click on June. So you will find the leads whose travel date is in the month of June. Click on July. So you will find all the leads whose travel date is in the month of July. So this is how through a month of travel you can identify the hot leads. Second is the lead prospect. Lead prospect is the prospect which you have selected at the time of adding call logs. So if you want to filter out your hot leads based on your conversation with client, click on hot. So you will find all the leads which are tagged hot by you. So this is lead prospect filter. This is client visited filters. If you want to filter the hot leads, the number of clients who have seen your quotation more than 3 times, click on this. So you will find the list of the clients who had seen your quotation more than 3 times. This is client last seen filter, which is one of the very important filter. You can see how many clients are active on your quotation and have seen your quotation last time. For an example, if you want to see last 24 hours, so these are the clients who have seen your quotation from last 24 hours. If you want to see the quotation in last 2 hours, how many clients had seen your quotation, so click on last 2 hours. So you will be getting the number of clients who have seen your quotation in last 2 hours. Okay, this is the filter of quotation sent out of your total working lead. If you want to filter in how many leads you have not sent quotation yet, so you can just select no. So you will get the details like how many leads there where you have not sent any quotation. This is the filter quotation seen by client out of total working lead. If you want to see how many leads where the client have already seen your quotation, click on yes. So you will be getting the details like number of leads where the client had seen your quotation. This is the team member filter. If you want to see the leads of your team members, Raj, Rahul, your team members. This is the filter of the clients whose train is already booked or flight is already booked. This is the last follow-up status of your like talk in progress. If you want to list out the leads where you have the talk in progress, click on talk in progress. Who are not in contact, click on not in contact. So this is the filters. This is the final filter, jackpot leads. Okay, so these are the filters available. You can clear the filters by clicking clear filter options. So use this filter with your own combinations and try to find out the best hot leads and keep strong follow up on that particular leads. Thank you, friends.